How to cancel Opal subscription? Well, this is very easy thing to do. So first of all, to cancel your Opal subscription, you have to log in into your account. Now just go to the website, or you can also access it through the Opal mobile application. Just enter your username or email or password and log in into your Opal account here. Now here you can just go to your phone settings depending upon it's whether it's Android or iOS. Tap on your name at the top, right? And here you have to select subscription, find Opal in the list, tap Opal and then cancel subscription. If you sign up through a different method which is from the website, unfortunately there's no direct way to cancel an Opal subscription through the Opal app or website itself. If you don't use Apple Pay, in this case you won't be able to cancel it. The last case scenario is that you need to contact Opal customer support, which take a lot of time. You have to visit this website. I have entered, for example, this is transport nswgovernment.au. Go to the help section, look for an option or submit feedback or contact a customer or help support, and they will help you in that or how you can just cancel your subscription, right? So this is how you can do it, and of course you need to give the proof that you own that your account. I hope you found this information very useful. Subscribe.